Welcome to Ho Chi Minh City. Welcome to the rainy season. Ho ho! Marcus.
People going crazy, look at them. They don't know how to drive.
What a traffic.
Yeah.
Let's try to walk there to the left.
Okay.
This is crazy Ho Chi Minh traffic here. My shoes are already wet. It's absolutely nasty. Ah! Dude, I guess that's not good time to come here. I didn't get the memo. My nose is still clogged. Oh God. Oh God.
I just walk on my heels.
Oh God! Look, so
oh,
it's
hallelujah. That's horrible. Look at this.
So let's talk about pavement scale here. Let's talk about the pavement. Yeah.
Let's talk about Crocs, because why is Crocs the best solution for rainy weather?
Yeah. How? Like, this is literally not possible now.
I will not pass.
This
have to go back.
Look at this. It's literally flooded
Yeah,
here.
look at this. It's going into the store.
My God. It just rained for a little bit. What a mess. I would have loved to show you some wild nightlife, but I guess that's the wild nightlife you will see today. Oh, look at this. What is that? That looks cool. Marcel. Okay. All right, guys, we gotta walk back and try to find another route. It stopped raining and the cars are not coming. So if you are thinking, oh, why don't you take a Grab? Bro, we tried. No Grab is coming. It's like apocalypse now. What a mess. I want to be back to Da Nang, man. Even the worst rainy season is not that bad. And this is just a normal day here. So don't wear any white shoes here, or good shoes. You know what we need, Marcus? We need Gummistiefel.
Oh yeah, that's the German word for today.
That's the German word for
What
today.
is it? Rainy coat shoes?
Huh.
Or rubber shoes?
Rubber shoes, maybe, yeah, rubber shoes. Rubber boots, rubber boots.
Yeah, rubber boots.
Oh, what is going on in the street? I hope we're gonna be lucky over there and going to the right and everything's gonna be fine. Oh, what is this? No idea.
Oh, when you want to get pregnant.
Oh.
Or probably when you are pregnant.
And if you don't want to get pregnant, you gotta look like Marcus.
Exactly.
I look the same, guys.
Nah, I look better.
Okay.
But yeah, you're married.
We wear yellow condoms at the moment. Saigon Palm. What is that? Restaurant. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So I guess the only thing we can do in this trip, go to the malls, I guess. Or actually do everything in the morning. In the morning it was good weather. I don't know what's happening now. So afternoon it starts raining, you know.
You can go straight now or left and straight. It
All right.
depends on the condition.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm happy my camera is waterproof. Dubai, oh yeah, baby. Come to Dubai.
Yeah, exactly.
I think that it looks so sketchy. It looks so insanely sketchy. Dude, I wanna go there. Let's go there, man. I think they're gonna kick us out if we pull up there with a camera.
With this yellow stuff.
Dubai, my God. Okay, well, if we go there and then to the right, I think that would work.
Yes.
I've been here already one time. I had a coffee here one time. Huh.
When was it?
2 years ago, I think.
You know why I'm asking? If it's 2-3 years ago, that must be a good coffee.
Yeah, maybe. Or just a good location, I guess.
Saigon Jane.
I think I need to put on my night mode now. Oh, is it dark already? Hello? At least it stopped raining now. Okay guys, I think we have to go to the right and then head over to the Saigon Center. That's the mall here. What is that? Lolilia.
When we go here,
Yes. Right guys, I think right in the front we can see the Bentan market. They actually have nice snacks there over there too. I ate there one time banbeo. Ooh, lovely it was. I mean, Saigon Center should be over there, right?
yes.
So this is also the brand new metro station over there. Right there. When I came here the last time, there was no metro yet, but now there is. I think they have several entrances, and one of them is over there. We gotta throw away these ponchos, man. We look like morons.
We look like tourists.
Oh, look at this. There's a huge screen or something on top of this Silverland hospitality thing. And look at this. They have bus transport. Lovely. Wow. What a beautiful traffic here. What a mess.
I think here's not a mess. It's very good organized.
It is actually. It's just a lot of motorbikes.
I do not know if we can walk.
Now we can walk.
But don't take a green light for granted.
You always have to look out for people. There's a traffic police stop, I think.
Yes.
People getting tickets here. They have very modern vehicles here. Unlike Da Nang, they have the older ones. Very nice. What brand is this? Honda. Interesting. So this is the entrance to the metro. We could have taken that and go to another mall with that even. But we're gonna walk to the other mall, Saigon Center. Here it's good with the flooding. No flooding here.
But I have to confess, this stuff is protecting you from the rain. But after a while, you're raining inside.
Ah, because it's so.
It's sweating.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
It's okay, man. We can handle it.
Yeah.
We have enough fat reserves to sweat it out.
True. But the fat is not melting. If I would wear it all day. So, special Saigon gear. But Saigon at night look at this, all the lights. It's good.
Yeah. I mean, it's the most fun place in Vietnam by far. I mean, the nightlife here is just absolutely insane. It's like up there with Bangkok, I would say. And the options you have here, it's real fun. But nothing for me because I'm an old man with a wife.
All for me? Because
you're
I'm a young man with no wife.
you're an older man with no wife. Maybe you need 2 wives.
Okay, but I think one is enough.
Oh, look at this FPT studio. Looks like a fancy FPT store where you can buy Apple products. Oh, you know what? Today is they're gonna release the new phone.
The phone and the Apple Watch, right?
Yeah, let's see what they're gonna say. I think it's actually tomorrow morning probably. Because it's in the West Coast. All right, guys, we made it again. I can't believe it.
That was fast.
Yeah, that's what she said. All right, guys, we already filmed this, so if you want to check out this mall review, please check out this video here. Thank you so much for watching. This is how it looks when it's just raining in Saigon, in Ho Chi Minh City. The good thing, Ho Chi Minh City has a lot of malls and lots of activities indoor as well. So yeah, check out this video and see you in the next vlog.